birogo aubege siasa sobochori bore bosio uko nokuboria kwa rure ne serikali wetera somo no gariwe serikali enene Isaac Mwaura
nigaya kwa nayo chingaki bali gusanga n'abantu bamenyete no barema ase skuru ya Kenya Institute of Special Education Kasarani muchio Nairobi banagotumanya mu dikito Linet Nyambane.
The inclusion of persons with disabilities in governance should not be viewed as a matter of charity or goodwill. It is a constitutional right. It is a matter of justice and equal citizenship. Most importantly, it is essential for strengthening democratic legitimacy and ensuring that public institutions reflect the diversity of the people they serve.
Omonogeri bwe serikali Isaac Mwaura usegetire abantu bamenyete no borema GOESOKIA asobonge na kurwanirira ebirogo ao byage siasa ase obochori bore bosio gukwana kurwa ase skuru ya Kenya Institute of Special Education. Mwaura nigatebire ense ya Kenya yairire ebitambukiro gwikiranira chiko yokubwaterania abamenyete no borema ase chisekta ao ase boigo atebire kiama kia UDA NIGO kia Kenya
has made significant progress in advancing the rights of persons with disabilities. The Constitution of Kenya 2010 provides one of the strongest legal foundations for equality, dignity, inclusion, and non-discrimination. Article 54 affirms the right of persons with disabilities to reasonable access, communication, education, and participation in political and public life. And it's only UDA, the United Democratic Alliance, I'm a founder member, that has attempted to do a proper nationwide grassroots elections, potentially having 580,000 officials. Yeah, if each one of them mobilized 20 people, you win the presidential election.
Mwaura oenekeire abantabu bamenyete no barema buna cha agenda chabo chionsi nigo chigo cha kumurekero bwikiranu ne serikali.
The government remains committed to promoting disability inclusion across all sectors of national life. We recognize that inclusion cannot be achieved through legislation alone. It requires deliberate action, institutional reforms, accessible systems, adequate resources, and sustained engagement with persons with disabilities. And I say that I'm extremely encouraged that we are gathered here today to start defining the course and the agenda for the next general election 2027. So that we do an audit, see what we've been able to do, but also what are we asking that we need and what are our demands, so that also our votes and our voices can count.
Nonya nabo Mwaura wanjiranire nonya yonsi gagokorekana abantu bamenyete no borema nigo bagwetera emechando emenge.
Despite progress made, we must acknowledge that many persons with disabilities continue to face significant challenges in exercising their democratic rights. Physical inaccessibility, communication barriers, limited access to civic information, social stigma and inadequate representation continue to restrict participation in political processes. These challenges not only affect individuals, but also weaken the quality of democracy by excluding valuable voices and perspectives from national discourse.
Ngoripoteria Ensoko TV kurwa ase kaunti ya Nairobi eretariane Linet Nyambane.